Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to wrap text in an Canva image. So here you can see I have these two images right here and I'll show you two ways to wrap text in Canva. So first of all, there is no specific function available in Canva by which you can wrap text around image. So first trick which you can use around circular objects, just you can see here. So for that, select the text, go to here effects, click on this curve effect, then you will see that the uh, text which we have added is now curved and we can just adjust the curve as we want. Here you can see maybe this is fine in my case, so I'll just adjust my text, so maybe it is now looking good. So if you want to complete the circle, you can just adjust the text like that. So we can just add some spaces here in order to complete the circle. So I'll just add some here as well. So yeah, this is the first trick. Now if you want to wrap text around images like this, like here, if you want to add text, then here, let me show you how you can do that. So firstly, let me open the text which I want to add on our Canva. So this is the text which I want to add around this image. So first of all, what we need to do, firstly just copy the text by hitting Ctrl+C. Once you do that, now it's time to add the text. So for that, we need to click on add a text box. Then here we just need to paste our text just like this. Then here we have this option for alignment, so we just need to click here. Then you will see the text is slightly aligned to this area. Now we need to move the text. For that, we just need to hit anywhere else first, then select the text and move it. I'll just put it like this. Then here we just need to slightly make it smaller. Okay, once you do that, now cut some text from here. So for that, select the text and I'll just copy these lines, hit Ctrl+X, then again click anywhere else, click on add a text box. Again we'll hit Ctrl+V in order to put the remaining text. Now we'll again align it, and yeah, here you can see it is now looking good. So it's time for the third box. So basically we just need to add couple of boxes. So now we are going to wrap the text from this box. Here you can see. Okay, then again what we'll do, add another box, hit Ctrl+V, set a alignment and just put it just like the way we did before. And yeah guys, we have successfully wrapped our text around the image by using trick. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.